Hey, what's going on, guys? Keith Carpenter. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I wanted to show you our surveys because I believe that, in the mortgage industry, which you may not know this about me, I was actually in the mortgage industry for almost 10 years. From the time I was 19 till about 28. I'm now 42. But I was in the mortgage industry, had some really good success in the industry, as you know, most people back in that time did. And so I'm very familiar with mortgages in real estate. And so I know that surveys are a big part of very productive funnels because you need to be able to gather information from somebody online. So when the lead comes in, you know what you're working with, okay? So if you're one of those people, one of those mortgage people that has a website, but you don't have a lot of funnels built out, you don't have the different types of funnels for, FHA, VA, USDA, Market Chief's gonna give you the ability to be able to put those together quickly, okay? So I wanna show you right now what is the FHA survey, okay? So this is the FHA. So let's go to the FHA funnel first and just give you a quick idea of what we're looking at. I think I may have showed you this in another video. So let's go ahead and first let's go to the landing page. We'll open that up here and you can see it just says new, whatever state. So new Massachusetts FHA home buyer program, purchase a home with as little as 3.5% down. So this is your landing page. Okay. And then here is your quick survey. It takes only 60 seconds and then you get them to start filling out the information. Now, very important. Okay. I don't know if people think about this enough, but I think it's important to mention before they get to this landing page, the media they see, right? The video, the content of you talking to them, getting to know them, right? All of that plays into the conversion rate of this particular page, this particular funnel, right? If you send in 100 people that were referred to you by somebody looking for an FHA loan and you started them here and said, hey, go to this page and fill out this quick form and get you started, then you have a machine behind this that's actually kicking everything off for you, right? So now you've created a system. They're coming in, they're pre-sold by your content or from another client. They fill this out and now they're rolling through, right? They're in your database. They're getting follow-up messages. You now have the ability to be able to email them, text them, and you have information about them and you're able to get going toward a closing, okay? So that's the power of surveys inside of your funnel. So let's go ahead and take a look. We got, do you currently own or rent? And we're just going to fill this out, okay? Whether you decide to purchase your dream home in the near future or not, it's your right to know about this benefit. Have you bought a home before? Yes. When are you planning to request your FHA home purchase loan? So we get an idea of the time frame that they're working in. And they just work their way through it. How much would you like to borrow? Let's say $300. Where are you looking to purchase? We'll say Massachusetts. I don't know why. Are you currently working with a real estate agent? No. Good opportunity for you to get some referral going. My name's going to fill in here because I've already played around in here. So that's good. If you have a person that's already been familiar with your pages or has filled things out, they'll automatically pre-populate. It's called sticky contact. So there we go. I'm at the end now. I put my phone number in. We're going to text you when we have your pre-approval status ready, and then we're going to hit submit. Okay, that's going to go ahead and then kick everything off, put them in your database. And the best part is all that information from the survey is actually saved inside the contact record, right? Which is amazing. So that information goes in, you can see everything they filled out all from inside the contact. And, you can let your system do the work while you do the manual parts of the job that you've built into your strategy. So I hope this quick little video kind of shows you just another aspect of, how we can help you leverage technology to be able to generate leads every day for your business. And again, this isn't the end all be all, right, guys? This is the machine, the marketing machine. If you've been following me and listened to how I sort of break things down, it's the marketing machine needs to be built. Once the marketing machine is built, the advertising machine gets built. Right now, that might be, you might have an advertising machine working for you. You might have a social media content machine working for you. You might have another machine working for you. But at the end of the day, all of those traffic generation machines are bringing people back into your marketing machine. And if your marketing machine isn't set up correctly and it doesn't really do the heavy lifting for you, then you're going to have a heck of a time making the traffic pay. I'm telling you right now, right? It's not free to go out and get traffic unless you're spending time making content, but that's not free either, right? So at the end of the day, it's going to cost money to get traffic. And if your marketing machine isn't set up to convert that traffic into leads, and then your marketing machine isn't set up to nurture those leads into sales, you're going to have a heck of a time ever trying to get off the ground with your marketing, period. Okay. So if you feel like you need some help If you're out there sort of like, I know that there's, this is a great opportunity to get online, to get leads, give us a shot. Talk to one of our guys, get on the phone. Let's talk about how we can help you build a machine. Then you can go ahead and build traffic machines that drive traffic into your marketing machine so you can have leads every day. Okay. This is a scaling thing, right? This is all about scaling. So it's not about surviving, it's about thriving. And that's the key to remember here. You can survive all day on random things, right? But if you're truly going to thrive like any other company or organization, you have to have systems that support that. Right? You have to have systems that do the heavy lifting so that you don't have to be responsible to try to remember to do all of these things. It's never going to happen. Okay. So Market Chief is that system. And in this video, you saw how surveys can quickly and easily be deployed. In fact, we already have them made for you, right? No need to reinvent the wheel. So I hope you found value in this. I hope you can see how Market Chief could be a good partner and friend for you on your journey to scaling your mortgage business. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We'd love to talk to you. You know where the link is. I'm sure you got an email from your rep. Go ahead and schedule a call if you're interested in talking more. And I'll see you in the next video.